I remember what he's talking about. Worst question on a first date.
Are we on a date?
That's a terrible question. I'd like to leave right after.
Good. That's
Right off the bat.
Look, you look like my egg. Okay, let me count. I don't really remember.
The ring was stolen, and this woman worked in the police. Apprehended.
I think this is the prison house, right?
Because
Yes, in Norwich.
So you're riding a bike without stopping for 6 hours?
No. Starting, yeah, you're right. And the right word.
You have a butt hurt.
Once
You shouldn't stop.
it's not.
Under pressure. Sitting and believing in yourself.
To change
Immediately. That's what the teacher says.
was my way to. So then I want.
You wake up
Because-
like, oh my god.
Yeah, to rescue cats from trees.
Don't worry.
Do one push-up first.
I know you're being sarcastic.
Training where at the table, how many push-ups you could get in a week and two. It's even worse in Moscow. I can't do so many push-ups that is written in the table.
Perverts.
After I tried this product, the cats will speak with me.
Yes, exactly. Even before. How to make roastbeef.
Some
just
blood
take
inside,
roast.
some red.
A little. You just take,
But the
Beef
meat, if
and the
the
roast.
piece of meat is very nice, the meat
or
is
maybe
very,
you take a
very
roast and
tender
beef it.
once you make it.
Because in that particular
No
moment,
one
Become closer to other people.
keep their tongue behind their teeth.
that's such a
they
literal.
need-
That's because they feel a need to share it. Maybe they feel better and think about it over and over and get crazy. Say something when you talk about it. You can really feel better.
Nowadays, good meat gets very expensive. And time ago, it was possible to buy. A few years ago, it was possible to find something.
Long time ago. I think now it's
Nowadays,
about
it's like
700.
no, it's like
700.
like 2,000.
700.
Miratorix prices are